Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad IKHWAN HAFEEZ bin ASNAN from PI 009E24. So, in this video, I will teach you on how to determine students' examination results using Microsoft Excel. So, without further ado, let's look at the learning outcomes. So, at the end of the sessions, audience should be able to use VLOOKUP formula, which is the formula that we use to determine students' grade according to their marks, and then use some formula to calculate students' marks overall. Use rank formula to determine the students' rank in class, and then for rearrange students' name according to their rank in class. So without further ado, let's look at the Excel that I have provided. Okay. So here get the table, which is the midterm marks from student 5 Ibn Khaldun 2023. So I have provided all the marks from BM, BI, Maths, Science and History. I also provide the table which is the marks requirement for any grades, which is from F until A+. So without further ado, let's get started. So now I will determine the first student's grade for BM subjects using VLOOKUP formula. First, write down VLOOKUP formula and put open bracket there. And then for lookup value, select the cell that contain the marks for BM subject. And then for table array, just choose the table that contain all the marks requirement for the grades. And then write down 2, as the table for the marks requirement has 2 columns. And then just write down the close bracket and click enter. And it automatically will show the actual grade for the first students. Next, when you want to determine all the students' grade for BM subjects, you don't have to write down the formula from 2 until 13. You just have to double click on the right bottom corner of the cell, and then it will automatically show the actual grade for all the students. Next, you just have to do the same thing for BI subjects, Maths subjects, Science subjects and History subjects. Do the same thing for all the subjects. Next, I will teach you on how to use sum formula to calculate overall marks from the first students until 13 students. This sum formula will automatically sum the total marks from BM subjects until History subjects. So, without further ado, let's get started. First, write down the sum formula and click open bracket. Next, select all the total marks from BM subjects until History subjects from the first students and click enter. Next, you don't have to put the formula from the second students until 13 students. All you have to do is just double click on the right bottom corner of the cell, and then it will automatically show all the students' overall marks. Next, in these sections, I will teach you on how to determine students' rank in class from the first students until the 13 students. First, write down the rank formula. Next, for number, just click the cell that contain the first person's overall marks. Next, for reference, just select all the students' overall marks from the first students until the 13 students. Next, for order, write down 0 as descending. This is because we want to make sure that the students that contain the highest overall marks will get the number 1 rank in class. Next, don't forget to put a dollar symbol between P and 19 and also P and 7 for the reference. This is to make sure that we have locked the range or cell for the overall marks from the first students until the last students. Click enter. Next, you don't have to write down back all the formula from the second students until the last students. All you have to do is just double click on the right bottom corner of the cell, and then it will automatically show all the students' rank in class. Next, I will teach you on how to rearrange the students' rank in class according to their number, which means the student that achieve number 1 rank in class will be in the top of the table. So first, click any cell in the rank in class cell. Like me, I click the number 1 cell. Click home and click sort and filter. Next, click filter, and it will automatically come out with that arrow in the rank in class cell. Next, click the arrow and then click sort smallest to largest. So now I will teach you on how to rearrange the number of students at the first column of the table. First, write down number 1 for the first column, followed by number 2 for the second column, followed by number 3 for the third column. This is to make sure that the Excel know your sequence. Next, select all the first 3 columns, then double click on the right bottom corner of the cell. Finally, this is the result that I have contained to determine students' examination results using Microsoft Excel. And this is my final results. And from my video, audience, especially teachers out there, should know how to determine their students' results using Microsoft Excel, using VLOOKUP formula, sum formula, rank formula, and know how to rearrange their students' name according to their rank in class. So that's all from me. Thank you for watching.